Our story begins in an empty workshop, a canvas waiting for transformation. This quiet space filled with tools and possibilities is about to hum with the symphony of creation. Here in this cavern of potential, we'll take a simple, unassuming van and transform it into something extraordinary, something dreamlike. A rolling refuge for those who seek adventure on the open road. Today we embark on the quest to turn a simple van into a dream on wheels. Step 1, the van's rebirth. A rebirth is a process of transformation, a metamorphosis of sorts. When it comes to creating the ultimate camper van, it's crucial to start with a clean slate. The first step in this journey is stripping down the van to its bare bones. It's more than just dismantling. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal the van's purest form. It's about understanding the core, the heart of the beast, before we begin the transformation. This process is not just about getting rid of the old, it's about making space for the new, for the dreams and adventures that lie ahead. It's about acknowledging the past, appreciating the present, and eagerly looking towards the future. Stripping down the van is not just a physical process, it's a symbolic one, stripped down to its essence. A blank slate ready for innovation. Next, the artistry begins. Our journey now takes us into the realm of creativity and precision. Imagine a space, compact yet comfortable, simple yet luxurious. This is the challenge we face as we delve into the design process for our camper van. We start by exploring a plethora of materials, each with their unique textures and hues, chosen for their durability and aesthetic appeal. The floor plan is meticulously designed, maximizing every inch of space without compromising on comfort. The furniture, the fixtures, the intricate detailing, each element is selected with the utmost care, ensuring it aligns with our vision of a home away from home. This isn't merely an exercise in design, it's a labor of love. Witness the transformation as we breathe life into an empty shell, turning it into a cozy dwelling on wheels. Watch as we meticulously design and craft every inch of the interior, a symphony of functionality and style. Cabinets, beds, kitchens. Witness the magic unfold as our team brings the camper van to life. Each element is carefully chosen, each piece meticulously crafted to create a space that feels like home, no matter where in the world you are. From the installation of the kitchen sink that will hold countless meals to the assembly of the bed where dreams will be dreamt, every detail is designed with love and intention. We're not just installing amenities, we're building memories. As the cabinets are screwed in place, you can almost hear the laughter of friends sharing stories over a meal. With the bed in place, you can envision the peaceful night's sleep after a day of exploring. And with the addition of each kitchen appliance, you can taste the delicious meals that will be prepared and shared. It's not just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels. Now comes the moment of truth. The keys jingle, the engine roars to life, and the tires roll in anticipation. This is where rubber meets road, where dream meets reality. As the camper van purrs down the highway, you can almost hear the whispers of future adventures. The reactions inside are priceless. Eyes widen, smiles broaden, and hearts flutter with joy. This is the first taste of freedom, the first step in a journey of 1,000 miles. Buckle up as we take our creation for a test drive, capturing genuine reactions of joy and amazement. Our camper van isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the thrill of the open road, the anticipation of what lies around the next bend, the joy of discovering hidden gems, and the serenity of a sunset viewed from a new location every evening. This is more than a mode of transport, it's a symbol of freedom and adventure, a conduit for exploration and discovery. Imagine waking up to a different view each morning, from towering cliffs to serene lakes, from sprawling cityscapes to tranquil forests. Picture yourself cooking breakfast in your mobile kitchen, the world outside your window constantly changing. Envision the allure of the unknown, the excitement of the unexpected, the delight of the new. Every mile is a story waiting to unfold, every pit stop a chapter in your journey. The camper van is your passport to a world without boundaries. With breathtaking drone shots, let's explore the freedom this rolling dream offers. Packing for adventure has never been this exciting. This is where the anticipation builds, where every item placed into our camper van becomes a symbol of the journey ahead. Do you feel that? It's the thrill of the unknown, the allure of the open road. As we stow away the essentials, the camper van transforms once more. It's no longer a vessel of dreams, it's a capsule of potential. Here we aren't just packing a van, we're packing memories yet to be made. experiences yet to be savored. Every square foot of space is a testament to the freedom we yearn for. The hum of the engine, the well-treaded tires, the packed bags. They're all whispers of adventure calling our name. This isn't just about hitting the road. It's about embracing the vast, uncharted world that lies in wait. So, buckle up, breathe in the anticipation, and join us as we load up and hit the road, ready to embrace the unknown. From mountains to beaches, our campervan becomes a hub of unforgettable moments. As we glide from coastlines to highlands, each turn of the wheel writes a new story of adventure and exploration. Picture this: the sun rising over a tranquil lake, the campervan parked at the water's edge. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, the promise of a new day beckoning you to step out and seize it. Now, imagine the campervan nestled in the heart of a dense forest. The only sounds are the rustling leaves and the crackling of a campfire. The starlight dances on the roof of the van, the cozy interior offering a warm retreat from the cool night. Consider the thrill of navigating winding mountain roads, the campervan conquering every incline with grace and power. At the summit, the view takes your breath away, the satisfaction of a challenging journey well rewarded. Envision the van parked on a secluded beach, the waves lapping at the tires. The salty breeze mingles with the scent of a beachside barbecue, laughter and music filling the air as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. Each of these moments, these memories, are made possible by the freedom of our campervan. It's a ticket to a life less ordinary, a passport to a world where the journey is the destination, and every road leads to a new adventure. This campervan isn't just a vehicle, but a catalyst for exploration and discovery. A vessel that carries you to the edges of your comfort zone and beyond. It's a home, a sanctuary, a companion on the road to wherever your heart desires. Join the community of wanderers living life to the fullest. Embrace the freedom, the flexibility, the joy of living your dreams on four wheels. This isn't just about experiencing the world, it's about experiencing yourself, discovering what you're capable of when you dare to venture beyond the familiar. This is living the dream.